hope you are having an amazing day. I am so excited because I received my Ipsy Glam bag today. Still don't know where my ultimate is. It's said like pending since the 7th. Does anyone else have that issue? I did already open my Ipsy Plus, so if you guys missed that one, I can link it down below. And of course, I'll link Ipsy in the description box as well. So in today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing, or unbagging I should say, and I will insert some clips of me trying on some of the products I received, and then at the end of the video I will do a quick recap and review of the products I received in May. Before we get started, I just want to take a quick moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I do subscription unboxings every single day here in our channel, so if you love beauty boxes, subscription boxes, I would absolutely love it if you joined and subscribed. That would mean so much to me. We actually have a 9,000 subscriber giveaway going on right now. I believe I'm posting this video the day I'm filming it, so there's 2 days left to enter. So if you haven't yet, please do so. It's a big thank you to you guys for your love and support. I will link that giveaway video with all the info at the end of this one and a thumbnail, but anyways, let's get started. So this is what the bag looks like. It's pretty similar to the bag I received in the Ipsy Plus. So I had just a bunch of different women, all shapes, colors, sizes, sunbathing. And earlier today I had an idea. I think I was mostly thinking for myself, like, gosh, I get so many bags. I need to find more ways to reuse my Ipsy bags. So I think in all of my Ipsy videos now, I'm going to try and come up with a new idea on how you could use your Ipsy bag. So if you guys have any unique, fun ways you use your Ipsy bags, please leave a comment down below and I will be sure to feature it in the future. But I was thinking for this one, I might use this bag to hold some sunscreens in it. I feel like because there are all the sunbathers on it and stuff like that, it will be easily like recognized in my larger bag. So I could put my sunscreen, SPF in here, and then I can transport this between like my beach bag and my everyday purse, because ideally you should be reapplying sunscreen every 2 hours if you're in the sun, or at least twice a day if you're indoors. So yeah, that is how I'm going to be using this bag. I guess I should mention that this Ipsy Glam bag, if you don't know what it is a beauty subscription. It's $12 a month, and I think by far it's the best out of the 3 Ipsy subscriptions. You get some deluxe size items, but you do get a full size item every now and then as well. So the June 2020 theme is Make Waves. And of course, like all of the little cards in the past few months, there are no, there is no information on the products. It gives you some ways to maximize your SPF, which I think is great to have those tips in here included, but I would like to have a card with the information, you know, on my products. If you have the Ipsy app on your phone, you can easily see what you received and it will provide any like full-size item pricing. So if you guys don't have that app, I would definitely recommend getting it. You can also like make your sample choice and stuff for the month. But yeah, let's get started. There's a few items I'm pretty excited about. How about we start with the items I did not use? So the first one, this is a little mini eggplant cleansing mud cream, eggplant clearing mud cream mask. I think this is super cute packaging. I honestly don't know much about eggplants and skincare and the benefits from it. On the back it says, well, this is by Papa Recipe, and this eggplant clearing mud cream mask features a smoothly gliding cream texture with clay powder, remove sebum, and help moisturize dehydrated skin. And then it lists the directions, pretty much standard mask directions. Put on after cleansing, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes, and then wash off. So yeah, I will give this a try this month, and like always, I will review it in the July's video. So the next item I didn't use, but I can try it out right now, is a body lotion, and I think this is such cute packaging. So bright and fun. This is by Nanette Lepore, Colors of Nanette Body Lotion. And you get 1 fluid ounce in here, so this would be a nice lotion to keep in your bag. It is safety sealed. I didn't check on the mask. Yep, good. Get this off and moisturize my hands. They're kind of dry, just wash them. Oh, it smells good. So just like a white cream. Oh man, I really like how this smells. Awesome. Let's see, does it say what's actually in this, or like what the fragrance notes are, because we all know I'm not good at explaining fragrances besides saying like good or bad. So this says, apply the lotion before going to bed. Use this lotion on a daily basis to get the most benefit from it. But what are the fragrance notes? And the ingredient list is just as fragrance, so I'm not sure exactly what this smells like. So by, you know, my standards, it smells good. It smells great actually, I really like it. I will definitely use this up. And there's one item I haven't used yet, but I might just try it on one of my fingers now. It's a nail polish. This is by House of Makeup. It's their long-lasting nail lacquer, or nail lacquer. Someone made fun of me before because I said liqueur, and they're like, oh, you booze hound. I'm like, I know. And this is in flat white 20. I think this is such pretty packaging. I'm excited to see what the actual nail polish looks like. And I believe this is a full-size item. Oh, and when you open it, it says cruelty-free and vegan. Yeah, this is definitely a full-size nail polish. I normally don't wear shades like this, but my nails are such a freaking mess right now. I explained it in another video, but I'm getting rid of my dip nails, and I'm gonna start doing it all natural and doing my nails at home to save some money and not to go outside and stuff. So let me take one of my like nail polish of this pinky or something, and we will see what it looks like. Watch me totally forget that I did this in other videos I'm gonna film today. I'm gonna have one white nail, but whatever. I'm not even gonna bother putting a base coat on or anything right now. So it has like a standard size brush applicator, I would say. And yeah, I wouldn't say it's white, it's definitely like a beige color. It's very similar to my skin tone, and I messed it up. I should have probably used a bigger fingernail than my pinky. But yeah, it's like seriously the same color as my skin tone. So if I want to go for like a nude nail, now I have an option for that. Not like I really even care or think about nail polish expirations, but it says 12/19 on there. Maybe that was just the date it was manufactured. Just thought I would point that out. So 2 items remaining, and these 2 I did try on, and I'll insert some clips. So the the Kindness Vegan Beauty Discovery brand, I think. This is their translucent powder, and yeah, it's the Lacquer setting powder and translucent. So this is just a deluxe mini, and I swear I think I've heard people talk about this in the past and they really liked it. So I applied it in the video, like I said. First I just put it under one of my eyes, and then I didn't on the other, and compared that. And I honestly think it makes my wrinkles look worse. Like, I don't usually notice them as much, but to be fair, for the first time in a while, I had a horrible night's sleep yesterday, and my skin always looks more dehydrated and just awful in general after that. But I don't think I will be using this under my eyes anymore because they look so crepey right now. And I don't think it's the concealer I use because I've been using that for a month now. It'll be in the review portion. I received it in last month's Ipsy, so stay tuned for that. And then I used it all over my face, and I think I like it better that way. But yeah, I'm gonna have to keep testing this out and see how it works when my skin is in better shape. My skin is so affected by my sleep quality, so that's why I like to do the reviews at the end of the videos from the month prior, because I don't like to rely just on first impressions. I want to use these items way more often than that and let you guys know my actual review. So yeah, stay tuned. So far I'm not sure I like this powder. And the last item is something I chose, so I can't remember if I mentioned this. You get to customize one item in all of your Ipsy subscriptions, and I got a full-size Oprah Highlighter, and this is in, it's actually a collaboration, Oprah and Talia Mar highlighter in Covent Garden. And I wasn't sure at first. I'm like, because this packaging, I'm like, I think it's full size. So I pulled out all of my Oprah highlighters, like ones I've received in boxes and like from Oprah themselves. And this says in the back it's 10 grams, and so are all the other Oprah highlights, even the ones in the older packaging and stuff. So definitely full size, and I think their highlights run for like $29 or something like that. Maybe more depending on what one. So it's like, kind of looks like pinkish purple in the pan, but when you swatch it, I swear it looks more pink. And earlier I compared it to my other ones, so this is definitely more pink than Pillow Talk, and you'll see me applying it today. So whenever I use Oprah highlights, since they are so blinding and like pigmented, like and show up a lot in your face, I like to use a more fluffy highlighter brush. So this is by Moda. I don't know if it has like a number or anything like that, but I received this in like a set of 2 or maybe more brushes in some subscription box. But yeah, these fluffier brushes make the the highlight not look as intense, but if you want to like pack it on more, you can use a more dense brush. It's all your preference, but I really like this highlight. I think I'll get a lot of use out of it. I like that it has a pink tone. I think I have pink undertones, so that's why I think I like it a lot. And yeah, I think with this brush, it's definitely not too much. Maybe it is, but you know, it doesn't look like the stripe of this across my face. So yeah, I'm super happy to have this in my collection. I just got nail polish all over. I knew that was gonna happen. But yeah, so I was super thrilled to get this. I really love Oprah highlights, and it's a full-size item that costs like more than double what I paid for my Ipsy, which again is $12 per month. So yeah, those are the 5 items I received for June. I would love to know your thoughts down below on what I got, and if you get Ipsy as well, I would love to hear what you got in your bag. Let me know if we're bag twins, and if not, what did you get and are you happy with it? So overall, I think this was a pretty good bag. I am happier with this than I was with my Ipsy Plus. Spoiler if you didn't see that video. The Oprah highlight definitely makes it. I think the nail polish, I don't know how often I'll use that nude shade, but I think that is a full-size item. And the body lotion smells really good, and it's super cute, something I can just throw into my bag. And the mask doesn't really excite me, and yeah, like I said, the powder, I'm excited I got the powder so I could try it out for myself. So yeah, pretty good bag. And like I said, I like this bag too for the purpose I will be using it for storing my SPF. So now let's segue into the review of May's products. So like usual, we got 5 items. Let's start with the one item I did not use, and this was a hair product, and the only reason why I didn't use it is because I have others open. And this is by Pure Brazilian, the Daily Anti-Frizz Serum. It's a leave-in treatment for stronger, healthy-looking hair. So I apologize, I can't speak on this, but I did try all of the other items. One is by First Aid Beauty, and I kind of wish I wore this last night, but I didn't know my skin would be dehydrated today, or that I would sleep so poorly. But this is the Arnica Relief and Rescue Mask. This is supposed to soothe and de-stress your skin. I have used this twice, so normally I don't have like dry skin or dehydrated skin. Like I've already said multiple times, it's just today I kind of do because of my poor sleep. But I did use this like the night after I used the Ordinary like AHA, BHA like peel mask or whatever that name is, because I know that could be drying on the skin, and I did like this. So this is just like an overnight mask. You just put it on like as your last step. You can either use it in place of your moisturizer or after you use your moisturizer at night. I used it after, so the final step in my skincare routine at nighttime, and yeah, I like it. I think if you have dry skin, you would definitely like this a lot, or if you have really like red skin or irritated, this would be a good option. And I think First Aid Beauty is like in the mid-range, I guess. It's not like affordable, but it's not crazy expensive like if you purchase like Sunday Riley or something, you know? So yeah, maybe I will actually use this tonight to help out my skin. I definitely wouldn't want to use that clay mask, because that one's called, yeah, the mud mask that I got earlier, because I think that's more like for clogged like skin, and that could dehydrate me more. So yeah, good reminder for me to use this tonight because my skin needs it. And then I have a brush here, and you can see it is dirty, but I really did like this brush. It's super cute, fun, and glittery. This is by Miss Glam, and it's their SS57 blender brush. And yeah, I used it a lot. I actually had to go grab this from my dirty brush pile in my bathroom. I feel like I say that every time I review brushes, but yeah, I've been bad about cleaning my brushes, but I just came up with this new method. Every time I go in my bathroom, I have to clean at least 2 brushes before I can leave my bathroom. So I have been getting some clean. So yeah, this will be going back in that dirty pile. No complaints here. I have used this a lot. Just look at it. It is a little dirty. So it's great for like the crease and transition shades. Yeah, super cute and glittery and pink. Obviously I like pink. Look at my very pink eyes today. And the last two items I actually have on my face today. So I mentioned earlier that the concealer I have on, I know doesn't cause a creasing, so I think that's the powder. And that is the Yensa BC Concealer. And I received it last month in Fair Cool. So I have this on today. I also added on in one of my Ipsy bags last month the shade Light Neutral, because that is the shade I wear in the foundation, which I love, by the way. And I have been using this more, but today I used the Fair Cool just to kind of brighten my eyes a little bit because I needed a little bit brightening. But yeah, I really do like these concealers. I love the foundation, which is in the same line, so I had a feeling I would love these. So I just pat a little bit on with my fingers and then use the Beauty Blender just to kind of even it out. Super quick to use, no complaints. I love Yensa. I want to try all of their products. Like, Yensa is like my new favorite brand. And then the last item, another one I really liked, I actually had to go grab this for my purse. It's the Tarte H2O Gloss, and this is in the shade Sail Away. So this is all I have on my lips today. Normally I would use this like with a lip liner, but my eyes are so bold and I just threw this on and I was like, felt comfortable. So yeah, I really like this. I feel like I didn't use it enough this month because it was in my bag or my purse and I just haven't really left the house much. But yeah, I think this is such a pretty color. It can go with like any look. And yeah, I love getting glosses. It's super comfortable, not sticky, doesn't do like the whole like butthole lip thing, you know. Yeah, I will definitely continue using this and I was super happy to get it. So overall, I think last month was a hit. So that is everything for today's video. Again, leave your thoughts down below. I love hearing what you guys get in your Ipsy, and also let me know, are any of your bags super delayed or boxes this month? Because yeah, like I said, it's been over a week and a half, or yeah, a week and a half almost since my Ipsy Ultimate apparently shipped, but it really only says label created. And I really hope it doesn't get like lost in the mail. I would love to get it because I did look at spoilers and I think it looks pretty good. I think the Ultimate may be improving, but stay tuned for that video. And again, if you missed the Ipsy Plus, that will be down below. And somewhere on the screen now, or soon, it should show the 9K giveaway. Make sure to enter. That ends on the 17th, and I will be picking a winner on the 18th. Wait, is that tomorrow? Yeah, you have one day to enter, so good luck everyone. Thank you so much for being here, and yeah, stay safe and healthy. Love you so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.